Okay, class 7th is right now we have done the first stanza, and now this is stanza number 2, lines 6 to 11. No more can I endure, ellipsis, work kind, weirdly. Okay, now weirdly. Now you have to do is reference context क्या क्या आप same लिख देंगे, ठीक है, because वो हमने same ही लिखना होता है हर stanza के साथ. Only the explanation is different from each stanza, right? Because the stanza is different as well. Now explanation. In the next lines of the poem, the poet describes very strongly what he feels and the inner turmoil he suffers. In a turmoil that he's not feeling peaceful from within him. Okay? He's not feeling good about himself, and he's not at peace, okay, with himself because the teacher was there, okay, to discipline the students, and he could not do that. So he could not do that. He has failed in his attempt, right? The teacher resigns from his duty or job of teaching. He knows that his endurance is short. He can no longer bear the brunt his students inflict on him. The teacher looks around his room and sees the books that lie out on the desks, and there are 60 notebooks that he has to check. But no one has done a good work. Okay, now you know that. Remember that there were 60 students, okay, or 60 notebooks, and the notebooks are lying here and there on the desk. They are not completely. They are not decently placed on the table. Okay, and the teacher is worried and exhausted. Okay, and he has shown his expression is being exhausted. Okay, so expression is to show that he is feeling exhaustion and exasperated. Okay, annoyance feel कर रहा है, and because the students have not done a good work. Okay, after all his best efforts, several okay. Now there are several insults of blotted pages and scroll. अगर उन्होंने फजूल काम किया हुआ, अच्छा काम नहीं किया हुआ, ठीक है, they have done a very bad handwriting. There are numerous mistakes. ठीक है, the 60 students he is in charge of are all lazy and lethargic. Lazy and lethargic. Lethargic भी lazy में आता है, and they don't want to study at all. The teacher is tired and exhausted and feels mentally drained. ठीक है, now the teacher is completely tired and exhausted, and he's mentally drained, and he does not know what to do now, okay, and how he could control the students, right? Now that was the second stanza, okay, that was the explanation. Now we have moved on to the next stanza, which is stanza number 3, okay, and the lines are, and shall I take, ellipsis, they do a mess, okay, a mess. Now, reference context would be the same. Explanation. The first part of the second stanza of the poem, last lesson of the afternoon, begins with the speaker asking if it's right of him to take the last fuel, meaning his energy. Last fuel means his energy, his last days of his life, and use it to rouse his soul to the task. He knows if he does so, then nothing will change. Now he's asking himself, would he use his last days of his life, okay, because he's old and tired now, and he's asking himself a question that would he or should he continue doing teaching, okay, and teaching such students who are mischievous and don't listen to the teacher. So he's asking himself a question. He's probing himself, should I also utilize my last days of my life, or the last dear fuel of his life, to teach such students, but he knows inside that they are not going to study, okay, they are still not going to study, and he's going to just waste his time on such students. So that he says that I'm not going to waste my time on such careless students, okay, and I'm going to become a full-time author, right, which he could do best. Now, it's not worth his effort to waste the last years of his life and destroy himself in order to help those who don't desire to be helped. Okay? He knows that the students won't study and learn despite his best efforts. So in this stanza, there are two things that the teacher thinks, that should he waste his energy in tolerating the lack of interest, or maybe going through their assignments and paperwork which has nothing but dirty and lazy work. Okay, so he's probing himself about that, right, which I've told you earlier. and he further thinks that he's going to punish himself by suffering their dross of indifference and scroll off their insults. Okay, because that the students are insulting the teacher, okay, by not listening to him and not obeying to the teacher, not by and also by not doing the proper work. Okay, despite the teachers or the poet's best efforts, still the students have done very bad work. ठीक है, स्क्रॉल है उनके पेजेस पे, ब्लॉट पेजेस हैं, ब्लॉट पेजेस मतलब गंदा वो काम हुआ हुआ है. ठीक है. And in this stanza, he also gives the answer by himself that he will not waste his energy because it's not worth it. Now, when he has probed himself, okay, he's probing himself in the question in the stanza, and he's questioning himself in the stanza and also giving the answer himself as well. Okay, and he says that he has come to the conclusion that he's not going to waste his last day of his life or fuel. Rather, he's going to